Hello students, today we will learn our next fourth number lesson, computer lesson, that is a editing an Excel worksheet. So editing in Excel worksheet, in that Excel sheet we will learn. So how to open Excel sheet, that first we will see. Click on start button, all program, then accessories. In that accessories Microsoft Office will come, and in that see Microsoft Excel. So this way we can open the Excel sheet. This is the Microsoft Excel. See, now when we open the Excel sheet, this window is coming. So see, by default here one cell is selected, that is a default cell selected, that is called active cell. So these all are cell. When you single click anywhere, so this is called a single cell, and collection of cell is called worksheet. Collection of cell is this full. When we select, see, from that point we can select whole worksheet. So this collection of cells is called worksheet. Okay, this is our ribbon, home, insert, these are tabs. So this is ribbon. This, when we start the Excel, that time by default this cell selected, that's why we are calling active cell, and these all are cell. Collection of cell is called worksheet. And see, in that worksheet, this is the row. These all are 1 2 3 4 5 6, that number is coming. So this is the row number. So these all are row, and this ABCD format, that all are columns. See, when now I am selecting one by one, so these are columns. So collection of rows and columns, means that is a worksheet. And collection of worksheets, see, now downside here sheet 1, so this is the whole worksheet. Again second sheet 2, when we click, second worksheet will open. So collection of worksheet, again one more you can insert worksheet. So collection of worksheet is called workbook. Understand? This is one cell, collection of rows and columns making a worksheet, and collection of worksheet is called workbook. Now next point is selecting cell range in the worksheet. How to see, what is mean by cell range? Cell range means what? Now see, when we click any one cell, so this is called cell, and when we select multiple cell, so that is called a range. So this is the cell range. When we select any multiple cell range, that is called cell range. So now selecting cell range, how to select, that is the two types, through mouse and through keyboard. So through mouse we can select and drag our mouse, and next one is only click and shift button you press, and downside that key you use, arrow key you have to use. Then suppose down arrow I am pressing, so it is coming in, see, down, and if right side, so column will select. So this type two way we can select the cell range. Next one is how to select any row or column. See, that number is coming. So I just now I told that these are columns. So when see, now your mouse point is a plus symbol, and now when we drag our mouse, see, small black arrow is coming. When that small black arrow is coming, and that time we have to click. When we click, that time this is selected row. Okay, so this type we can select multiple rows also, click and drag. Same way we can select column also, single and multiple also. Through drag the mouse we can select column also. Now next option is clearing, how to remove cell content, means clear the cell. How to remove cell content means any content we fill in that cell. Now see, one mark sheet I am showing here. So suppose here 50 marks, I want to remove that cell content. Cell content means whatever we fill there inside, so this is the content. So I want to remove that content, so simply click there, and see, in home tab, editing group, last editing group, here one option is there, clear option. When we click there, clear, see, it is, see, rough. Now that content is gone. So this way also we can remove the content, otherwise simply click there and press the delete button also, and again which one we want to type, we can type there. Okay. Next is moving cell values. Now move means cut paste. Suppose this science marks I want to move, so I will right click and here see one cut option is there, and I will paste in K column and paste. See science. Now this is the our cut paste. Okay, so this process is called moving content. Next one is copy paste. Copy paste time, same method, copy, instead of cut we have to copy and click on same place and click on paste. See, now both place it is present. So this is the copy paste, cut paste, copy paste. Next option is undo and redo. Undo means one step back, one step front. So that option is coming. See, quick access toolbar. Upside the ribbon, here this bar is called quick access toolbar. So this is undo, and again redo means one step back. See, I am clicking there. See on the screen that is coming. Undo and redo means one step back and one step front again. So this is the use of undo and redo. Next point is how to insert in. Suppose now this mark sheet is ready. Now I will delete this. Okay, now this mark sheet is ready, but in middle again I want to insert any column or rows, so that is also possible. Simply click on C, that column name, right click, insert. C, that column came in middle. Same way row also, right click and insert. So this way we can insert multiple rows and multiple columns. Now next point is autofill. Autofills means what? Suppose see, I am scrolling here. Suppose I put there 1, and when see, click on that, and now our mouse pointer is a white plus symbol, now came in black symbol. Right side corner, on that cell right side corner we have to bring our mouse pointer and drag downside. See, now what came? 1 1 1 1 came. So downside again we have to click on that black arrow and fill series. See, now 1 2 3 4 5. So serially number is coming. So same way we can do. So this is called autofill. So number, otherwise January, February, Sunday, Monday. So this no need to type every cell, only first which type of content you want, number, week, Sunday, Monday, day's name, or any month, January, February, only first name you have to enter there and simply drag your mouse and click there, fill series. Okay, so this is called autofill. Understand? So if any problem, then ask me. Read all lesson and try to solve exercise in notebook. Okay, bye.